Is a used 2011 Ford Mustang. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power convertible top, electric trunk, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Jovic Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2600 East Route 34, Sandwich, Illinois 60548.